Yo guys, Fanatics jerseys. This is random team number 12. One NBA mystery jersey that is indeed autographed. Dice roll gotta be ace deuce or higher, guys. We're gonna go 8 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final. 8th and final. Dice roll said 8. Mr. Nice Guy on the bottom. Chris up top. Why is all of my stuff doing that? That's weird. Good luck on your teams, guys. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th and final. Sacramento on the bottom. The Bucks is up top. Come on, show us a nasty jersey. Show us a nasty jersey. There it is. When did Hernandez say he's coming to Vegas? Hernandez, when are you coming in? You said next week? Let me know. Let me know. I'll literally 17th. Got it. Oh shit, that's WrestleMania weekend. Wait, are you going to WrestleMania? Hey, I'm down. I am more than happy. I will bring a decent bankroll and I'll play baccarat with you. Word. We gotta do like a quarter table or something though. Is that cool? I might get out of hand. Good luck, guys. Let's see it. Quarter table, I'm okay with. Anything more than quarters, I don't know. If we're on a nice little streak, but I'm okay. But I'm okay with that. I don't mind. I don't need the fast pace sometimes, you know. Sometimes I like not having the fast pace. So like now like I've been playing bubble craps a lot lately, cause like I like to test strategies and everything like that, in my head at least, things that sound right. Oh, wrong way. Good luck, guys. Oh, I'm on the wrong screen. Sorry. There you go. Good luck, guys. Oh, nasty. Nasty. And it's gonna go to my good friend out there in Korea. And he helped push the break too, guys. That's a nice Kate Cunningham. For the Pistons, it's Kate Cunningham on the jersey piece. And it going to Korea. Mr. Nice Guy with the Kate Cunningham piece. Beautiful. Looks like it's a size large, 48. Nike jersey piece on the Cade rookie autograph. On the Cade auto. Nice piece. That fits. 48 fits. 48 used to fit me maybe my freshman year in high school. I know my senior year in high school I was like not 195-ish, so. And that was the break, guys. I appreciate the little push there, guys.